Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. On this mini-series course here, we're going to be learning about how to build a blog. Now, most of my videos are going to be project-based, right? Now, this blog here might not seem like much, but we're going to keep adding more things to it and take it from a beginner level to an intermediate level to an advanced level, and then mastery. We're going to learn how to build really cool projects. I want to give you the knowledge to start any project, okay? We're gonna create a lot of different features here, all right? But anyway, right now what we got is just a homepage. It's gonna have all the posts. We're gonna go to each individual post. It's gonna have comments later. We can create a new post for now, all right? And that's just gonna create a new post, all right? You can read more about it and goes to the detail page. Now, we're gonna add comments, we're gonna add authentication, we're gonna add a lot of different things here. So you need to keep going on this series here if you wanna keep learning, guys. And I really recommend it. The knowledge I'm gonna give you here, it took me a long time to acquire, all right? And I'm gonna give it to you in a couple minutes in each lecture, all right? So anyway, one of the things that I'm gonna give you on this lecture is the files, all right? These are gonna be the backbone of your application. And I'm gonna unzip it real quick and show you some of these files inside. I'm gonna rename this to, let me see, Flask Blog, just like that. And I'm gonna drop it in Visual Studio Code here just to make sure, all right? And you can see the files that we got inside. We got the base, we got the index, new post, and post detail. Those are the files that are gonna help us start this application, all right? Let me just make sure we take that off. And we're gonna have static with all the styles in here. And then we're gonna fill in the blanks here with HTML and take all the placeholders that we got there and replace it with Jinja code, or should I say Python behind the scenes, right? So it's gonna be really exciting, guys. I hope that you stick with this mini series here, and all you have to do is just take one lecture at a time, guys. If you get bored, or if for some reason you're not able to do it, you don't have the time, but as long as you finish it, you should be good, all right? You're gonna be able to acquire all the knowledge that I'm gonna give you in this course, and that's going to allow you to build any application you want, all right? Anyway, guys, I hope I see you on the next lecture. Stay consistent, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help you out. My job is to help you guys become successful, all right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for being with me and the support you guys give me, and I'll see you on the next lecture.